Every masterpiece deserves a second birth. But even damage cannot erase engineering. At the heart lies performance.
Time leaves marks, even inside perfection.
The V12 still waits to breathe again.
Hidden layers tell the full story.
Precision demands perfection.
Every bolt carries responsibility.
Documentation preserves legacy. Every flaw mapped before rebirth. Every panel removed with care. No detail overlooked. Every wheel tells a story. Even the armor must be restored. Precision suspension, precise care. The heart will soon be free. Heavy yet delicate, like art. Secured for transformation. The cabin prepares for rebirth. Secured for transformation. The cabin prepares for rebirth. Every circuit documented. The skeleton stands bare. Every detail preserved digitally. A well-organized workshop ensures flawless restoration. Water reveals the hidden beauty beneath. Each layer prepares for perfection. Gentle touch preserves the weave.
Cleaned, yet imperfections remain visible.
Even the cabin must breathe freely. Every component returns to its original luster. A clean foundation ensures precise rebuild. Mapping guides the restoration ahead. Leather regains its supple memory. Clarity illuminates every curve.